Previously on Hi-Fi Rush.
How about...
I've been looking for you.
Holy crap!
Oh, sorry. Didn't mean to frighten you, little guy.
Goggles make you come on strong, sir.
Huh?
Your plans, young man, often seem to fail. Perhaps you lack the leadership qualities you think you have.
That's my buddy Cinnamon. A psych AI. Tells the truth no matter how much it hurts.
This is surprisingly entertaining.
Kai, don't be dead! Macaron, I presume?
Peppermint! Wonderful to finally meet you in person.
Sir Macaron said expressions make me less off-putting.
What the hell is happening?
Jai, meet Macaron, my man. Wait, was that you hacking the test labs?
Just my way of showing who's boss.
But he works for Vandalay.
Yeah, used to be the head of R&D under Roxanne Vandelay. Then Kel brought in his crew and now this Spectra.
A disgruntled employee.
But this place is my whole life. I wanted to do something. And I realized I can. From the inside.
I will say, you may have to do more than just pick on Zanzo.
Yeah, I mean, we already have our hacker.
I was thinking of...
Against those robots that just tried to kill...
Oh,
Something big is going down, Macaron. We've got to be proactive.
but fighting isn't my style.
Then why do you have a punching bag?
Sometimes work gets a bit stressful. Knowing who took everything from me.
You mean that guy?
Zanzo!
That wall was made with Z-shielding.
Oh no. Does that mean I have to fight?
I believe it does, sir.
I don't want to fight you. Hey, Chai, before head...
What are you talking about? You can literally destroy what's holding us back.
Right, I know, but just give me some time to... But anyway, look at this. Those chip enhancements Peppermint made for you are pretty awesome.
Already? Is tech talk like your #1 priority?
Well, it is kind of my job, so maybe...
Okay, that makes sense.
So I was thinking, why not add a bit more punch to those chips? If you get what I'm saying. With some extra supplies, I can make them more effective. A higher level chip needs more energy, so each level will take up another slot. But once you level up a chip, you can switch back and forth to lower levels. Now you can customize as much as you'd like.
Wow, this is actually pretty cool and useful.
I know Peppermint's got a lot on her plate, so I'll take over all these upgrades for now. When you have materials, come and see me.
Will do. Honestly,
Sir,
but that's not...
Oh,
So I gotta ask. Cinnamon...
oh, Mr. Chai.
Oh,
I can see you truly have... Sir Macaron designed me as a consciousness review allocation personnel.
but that doesn't... Actually...
No need to dwell on names. Unfortunately, no...
Okay, I want it.
Waltz?
So what you're saying is...
What? No, it was...
So I'm assuming you were one step behind.
No! I mean, not to that level.
Let me guess.
So you can put...
Why wouldn't you...
Do I need... You never listening to me?
Those...
Well, I didn't need an...
All right, Pep.
Mission report. Our goal, get back on track to entering the AI labs. The good news, Chai, is that Zanzo thinks you're dead.
Okay, stop showing me this.
Only thing slowing us down was Z-shielding.
And I can take care of that.
So I'll configure 808 to call Macaron in.
Call me in.
I'll explain later.
Oh, finally you are rebelling, sir. After all these years of inaction.
Thanks for the positive reinforcement, Cinnamon. Anyway, Macaron's lab is just below where we were headed.
So let's get back to those AI labs and destroy Spectra.
Simple enough.
There's quick access back upstairs if you go down the hallway.
Please do not make a ruckus. They will blame me for all this.
Okay, go straight through there.
There's just a wall.
808 firmware updated, and we should be good to go. Try calling in Macaron.
Get up! Ready for this?
Macaron!
No problem, guy. Right, there we go.
Not bad, Macaron. First step into the wild. Macaron! Sock him! Get him, Macaron!
Got him, Ty.
Macaron! Sock him!
Here's the old one,
we
too.
go.
You called?
Okay, we're back at that, giant drill thing.
We can see that. Now just climb it, and we're back where we were.
Macaron! Sock him!
Here's the old one, too.
Peppermint, come on!
Let's go!
Ooh, hey, Ty. It ain't Z-shielding, but I can knock that boulder out of the way for you.
Imagine it's one of Zanzo's security. Try this out!
You called?
You got this, Mac!
No problem, guy.
Here we go!
Let me out there.
Macaron!
No problem, guy. So get this. I was looking through databases for information about Spectra, but Zanzo locked out all employees.
So who has access?
From what I could tell, only Kale and the other department heads.
Guess they're all in on this.
But wait, Corsica, the head of security, seems to have limited permission, though.
Why wouldn't the head of security have full access?
All hands on deck! I have an idea that needs all the juice we've got. It doesn't fit in the schedule, so we're gonna have to crunch this one out.
Up for another round?
All right. Let me give it a shot. Call me in, and I'll shadow those shields for you. I am not used to this.
You got this back.
Hold on, hold on. Are we really locked out of the pacifist route?
I'd probably say so.
Focus, everyone. Spectra Lab is close.
Oh, hello there, friend. It seems you have been modified again.
Come on, Chai. Smidge is just trying to help.
Should be in the next room.
It's locked. No Z-shielding either.
Pull a Chai. Find another way in. I'll be right back. Cinnamon is trying to give me a personality test.
AR labs. Close enough, right?
Oh, wait now, Peppermint. Don't get mad.
Unsympathetic? Hot-headed? You don't even know me.
You are only proving me correct.
Come on, Chai. You can vouch for me, right?
I'm staying out of this.
All right. Wait a second. Chai, where are you?
AI was locked, so I went in the AR room.
Uh-oh.
Look who the cat dragged in!
This cat's with me.
This is bad.
You somehow got past my powerful toys without letting me watch. Unforgivable. But luckily, my AR labs are perfect for recreating missed opportunities. Like this. Vandelay alternate reality recreation technology. But patent approved. So real, it hurts.
Wow. It's like I'm really there.
I know. Awesome, right? Oh, now, show me what I missed. Plus a little extra.
Light him up!
Here we go. Not looking good.
Ready for this? All of my slaves.
It's too bright here. He has the advantage. Turn the lights down.
Mr. ZANZO, AR recreation like this is very expensive.
And with our budget... Quiet, lackey. Just do it.
Huh? Oh.
Unstable! The simulation is degrading!
That's the projection lens. See if you can destroy it, Chai.
Your turn.
Down! That was a quarter of our budget. Pull in some money from the yearly bonuses then.
My bonus? No!
That programmer was right. It looks like Zanzo's burning through his budget.
Zanzo's immature creative vision prevents him from seeing the realities of development.
We can use this. With no budget, our development pipeline comes to a full stop.
Chai, goad him into throwing something lavish at you. Check this. Now we can see Chai drain the budget in real time.
There we go!
Call?
Pick it up!
Light him up!
There we go!
Come on!
Get him, Macaron!
Let me at them.
Macaron! Sock him!
No problem, little guy.
Stop it! I'm programming here! Please! I'm already running on reserves! I can't take it! Ugh. Actually, that makes me more effective! Keep it up!
Ready for round 2?
Hope you got something new for me.
You did so well in our training exercises. Let's see if we can mix it up a bit.
This again?
Not impressed? Well, I just might have to throw in some surprises. Send him in. He's not optimized. He'll slow down the simulation. I don't care what it costs. Get him running.
That's a huge dent! Wreck that budget, Chai.
Can't believe this was my replacement.
Get up!
Help?
Try this out!
Try this out!
How much this costing you, Zanzo? So, Zanzo, where's your epic set piece?
Oh, you common folk don't understand quality. You just crave explosions. Well, if that's what...
We're gonna teach him a lesson.
Balancing creativity with realistic goals is the mark of a good leader. Clearly, Zanzo needs guidance.
He never understood Roxanne's vision for Vandelay. Just put along with Kale's demands as long as he got what he wanted. Glad I don't want it. Job, my life, he's ruining the company's legacy.
Well, let's say we're taking this guy down. Zanzo's lab is right behind the next AR room. Get ready for what's coming.
Here we go!
Got eyes on him.
All staff are on this, but the cost... Are you sure? Am I sure? I know what I want, and I don't want to hear about costs. Just turn it on! Is this epic enough for you?
Chai, this is amazing! Look at that budget drain!
Still want a gift basket?
You bet I do!
It's all yours. Psych!
Gift basket! Also, whoa, I thought you would be bigger.
What? Oh, I'll show you. Let's see you earn that basket.
Stay in it, Chai. Let's see Zanzo fly too close to the sun.
Get him, Macaron!
Hey, here's the old one, too.
Peppermint, come on!
Maybe this is more intimidating.
A little bit.
Programmers, volcano, right here.
Ka-ching! There goes a chunk of money.
Programmers, where are my enemies? Give us more notice. I don't decide when inspiration hits me. Get on my level.
Light him up! Help?
Mr. Chai, go get your gift basket.
Try this out.
Light 'em up.
Cover me. Your turn.
Yeah.
You got this, Mac.
All eyes on it.
Here we go.
Here's the old one, too.
I've got it. 2 volcanoes. Couple circuits flaring up.
Switch it up.
Sort of, Chai.
Switch it up.
Quality and quantity. I want this bigger. We can't keep this up.
Here I come, gift basket.
Want this?
The gift basket!
Guys?
And now I take you down! Did you want us to drop the platform? Was that not implied? Okay, hold on.
Get 'em, Chai.
Cover me. Your turn.
Try this out.
Knock her off. Knock 'em.
No problem, guys. All eyes on it.
Get him, knock her off.
Close.
Switch it up.
All eyes on it.
What else you got?
It's time for Magma Mania! Turn it up! Why not just... Are you telling me how to do my job? I just, If you're so smart, then why don't you take care of it? I call the shots here! More babies!
Power through it, little guy.
Get him, knock her off.
Here's the old one, too.
Try this out.
Light 'em up.
Here I come, gift basket.
Want this?
The gift basket!
Guys?
And now I take you down! down! Did you want us to drop the platform? Was that not implied? Okay, hold on.
Get him, Chai!
Peppermint! Your turn!
Come on!
All in my space.
Try this out!
Plenty of the old one, too. Ready for this?
What else you got?
It's time for Magma Mania! Turn it up! Why not just... Are you telling me how to do my job? If you're so smart, then why don't you take care of him? I call the shots here! More babies!
Power through it, little guy.
Here I come, gift basket!
Want this?
No!
The gift basket!
Guys?
And now, I take you down! Did you want us to drop the platform? Was that not implied? Okay, hold on.
Get him, Chai!
Your turn, Peppermint!
Let's go!
Try this out!
All eyes on me. All of my space. Let me out. Ready for this?
What else you got?
It's time for Magma Mania! Turn it up! Why not just... Are you telling me how to do my job? If you're so smart, then why don't you take care of him? the shots here! More babies!
Power through it, little guy.
Try this out. Let's go.
Mr. Chai has decimated his budget.
The lens chai.
Mind if I join in?
Let's finish this. You got this, Mac.
No problem, little guy.
I've wrecked everything you threw at me. Maybe you need a crash course in better design.
Ha! Well, while you've been dealing with my distractions, I've been working on a pet project. Something with unrestricted creative freedom! A mixture of spectacle and quality.
Peppermint? How's that budget looking?
It's almost gone.
My masterpiece! Now everyone will see that I am... defunded.
Don't just stand there. Finish him.
Oh, right.
This is all because of you!
Enough talk. Now let's see what you have on Spectra.
Okay.
Here it is.
Oh,
Okay, let's see. They plan for...
Great.
No!
That's certainly
can we shut it down now?
According to this, only with the passkeys of all the bosses.
Are you saying we still need...
There are 6 bosses and 6 passkeys. We've already taken down 2. We still...
And what are we waiting for?
The record stops here.
We know all about Spectra, Kale. You're not getting away with it. No one is washing my brain.
Cute. But you're in my facility surrounded by security. And you. I thought we were done. Yet here you are.
Shall I take them in, sir?
Yes, of course I want you to take them in. Why else would I bring you with...
Can we just one... Sorry, just take a second. You know that guy?
Can we do this later?
Sure, right, later. I think I know how we can escape. Really? Do you trust me?
Are we actually giving them a moment, sir?
Just follow me. All right, come and get me. Run!
now.
I assume Mr. Chai did not think past this point.
You won't get back to the hideout.
We're not leaving you.
They can't get the pass keys. No time to argue. I'll distract them. You go down, I go up.
Get back in at least 2 pieces.
I didn't know you cared.
I want that defect. Get him!
Activate security lasers. All security, report.
Looking good. Cover me. Your turn.
Help?
Charge up the electrified wall. Close in on him.
This is where you run away, Mr. Chai.
May need some help here. Get up. Back around. Knock him.
Here's the old one,
You
too.
got this, Matt.
All eyes on him.